Welcome to a fast Turkish dinner with juicy grilled chicken skewers. We are making a yogurt marinated Turkish-style chicken that gets smoky, tender, and full of warm spice in just 30 minutes. This recipe serves 4 people and is perfect when you want a weeknight meal that feels special without taking all evening. Let's start with the ingredients. 1 1/2 pounds of boneless skinless chicken thighs give us juicy pieces that grill quickly and stay tender. 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt tenderizes the chicken and helps the marinade cling to every piece. 3 tablespoons of olive oil make the marinade glossy, carry the spices, and help the skewers brown on the grill. 1 lemon brings bright acidity, with half for the marinade and half cut into wedges for serving. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste adds savory depth and gives the chicken that beautiful red-orange Turkish grill color. 3 garlic cloves bring the sharp savory base that makes the marinade taste bold but still balanced. 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper gives gentle heat, fruitiness, and a classic Turkish flavor. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin adds earthy warmth that pairs perfectly with grilled chicken. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano adds a fragrant herbal note that keeps the marinade fresh. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt seasons the chicken from the outside and during the short marinade. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper adds a clean little bite behind the cumin and Aleppo pepper. 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley finish the skewers with color and a fresh clean aroma. Cut 1 1/2 pounds of boneless skinless chicken thighs into 1-inch pieces so they cook evenly on the skewers. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Now whisk 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice from half of the lemon, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste until the base looks smooth and lightly red. Once the base is smooth, stir in 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Add all of the chicken pieces to the bowl and turn them through the marinade until every side is coated in the yogurt, tomato, garlic, and spice mixture. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the coated chicken for 15 minutes, which is enough time for this quick dinner to pick up flavor and tenderness. While the chicken marinates, preheat the grill pan to medium-high heat, about 425 degrees Fahrenheit, then brush the ridges with the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Thread the marinated chicken onto 8 brushed stainless steel skewers, leaving a little space between the pieces so the heat can reach the edges. Place the skewers on the hot grill pan in a single layer and cook them for 4 minutes on the first side without moving them, so the ridges can create strong char marks. Turn the skewers over and cook the second side for 4 minutes, letting the yogurt marinade caramelize while the chicken stays juicy inside. Turn the skewers once more and cook for 2 to 4 minutes, until the thickest chicken piece reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit inside. Transfer the hot skewers to the light oak board and let them rest for 5 minutes, so the juices settle before serving. Move 4 skewers to the matte cream oval plate and sprinkle them with 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley for a fresh finish. Add the remaining lemon wedges to the plate and serve the skewers hot while the edges are still smoky and crisp. The quick Turkish grilled dinner is ready to enjoy. And there it is, a quick Turkish grilled chicken dinner that delivers tender yogurt marinated chicken, smoky char, and bright lemon in only 30 minutes. Serve it hot, enjoy every juicy bite, and if you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more easy dinners.